The recent nuclear accord between world powers and Iran is expected to benefit Korean companies that once did a brisk business in the oil-rich country. Tehran has been subject to international sanctions since 2006 over its nuclear program, and these could be lifted if the framework deal is sealed in June. Shin Se tells us more.
Korean firms doing business in Iran may be back on track soon. With economic sanctions on Iran expected to be eased in a few months, Korean companies, mostly construction firms, are gearing up for a wide range of business opportunities. Iran was one of the largest construction markets for Korean builders before the sanctions were imposed. Companies like Daelim International, GS-ENC, and Hyundai ENC were the leading planned construction firms doing business there in the early 2000s. But the orders from Tehran stopped in 2009, with GS-ENC clinching the last $12 billion deal. Now, with the expected easing of sanctions on Iran this year, market watchers say Korea's construction business in Iran could amount to approximately 60 trillion won, or nearly $55 billion this year, up from a mere $9 billion in the early 2000s. Experts also say that because Tehran is in the midst of boosting its infrastructure, the contracts for Korean builders will involve facility maintenance and expansion of existing plants. That's not all. Korean steelmakers, airlines, and auto parts makers can also expect to reap the benefits of the nuclear deal. And back in Korea, drivers may feel the drop in global oil prices even more, according to Hong Jung-hwa, a researcher at the Korea International Trade Association, as an expansion in Iranian crude oil exports from the oil-rich country is expected to bring international oil prices down even further. Shin Se, Arirang News.